stand in the background like this.
Good morning. Welcome back to the channel. So today is, what is today's date? November the 2nd. And it's all about Black Friday prep, just getting ready for Black Friday. So the photographer will be here pretty soon and he's gonna photograph like all the home decor items that need to go up on my e-commerce site. So I'm very excited because, you know, we're getting closer to the busiest like sale of the year. So I just want to make sure that I'm prepared and I want to do everything that I can. And so having great content and some professional photos is definitely going to help me. But today's video sponsor is Simpky Renae, and I am wearing one of their outfits. This is a comfortable, really easy to wear legging set. I like that the shirt is long, so it pulls way down like over your butt. And I also like that the leggings don't actually ride down. So I thought it would be good to wear today considering I'll be doing a lot of bending for photos and stuff like that. Here's another dress that they sent me. I love it. It's gray. It has pockets. I layered this one with the vest too, but I'm going to show it to you without the vest. Yeah, really nice, super easy to wear. You could put a belt on this. In the comments, tell me how you would style this. Also, use my code BOSSUP for 15% off if you're interested. So yeah, let's go ahead and get into this video. Before I actually booked the photographer, I had a concept of exactly the looks that I was going for. So one of the looks was inspired by this, and I decided that I wanted to do a flat lay very similar to it. So here I am gathering like all of the neutral pillows together so that, you know, people could see exactly how they correspond. When I'm doing product photography, I really want to answer any questions that the customer may have. So I figured with this type of photo, I could capture questions like the texture of the pillows and the comparison when you're dealing with so many light colors, like how does one pillow correspond with the other, and even to give the customer inspiration on how they could actually pair the pillows. So that's what I wanted, and this is how the pillow photo actually turned out. I really like it. So some photographers charge by the hour. So my assistant in this photo is basically helping me to get the smaller pampas stems together and prepped for the next photo. So we're kind of just shaking out the plumes to make sure that they are photographed in a very nice and fluffy state, and basically to set them in the vases that we're going to take photos of the pampas grasses in. And so this is really helpful. While he's working on one thing, we're working on the next step. So really having a good idea of the flow of how you want your shoot to go. So speaking of the flow, we went ahead and laid a white sheet here so that we could showcase each pillow on a white background. So I have all of the pillows lined up on my sofa, so we could basically have an assembly line essentially, so he could photograph one pillow after the next. And you know, we had basically an assembly line to get pillows out of the way after they were actually photographed. So I also wanted to get a flat lay of like the richer colored pillows, the more jewel tone colored pillows together. So that's what she was doing in the previous clip. Also, I recently got my fireplace redone because I thought it would be a really great place to photograph my like pampas stems and just to use as a backdrop all over the place. So tax deduction, cha-ching. Anyway, I got this wall done in my family room as well because again, I wanted the space to be beautiful, not just for me to enjoy, but for also to use for props and backgrounds for product photography. Hey Google, what time is it?
It's 3:14 p.m.
Okay, so it is 3:14 and we are finished. The photographer just left. My assistant has already gone for the day. I think that everything went really good. He said that some of the photos will be ready for me to view tonight. I am so hyped about this. I am so excited. I've worked with him before. If you're in the Atlanta area, I'm gonna put his information in the description box. So if you want to work with him, he shot my daughter's wedding. He has he done family photos for us? I'm trying to think. Back when I was doing staging and stuff like that, he would come and shoot every job that I did. So really, really great photographer. So I know I'm in for a treat. Cannot wait. But yeah, it's quite a mess in here. Let me show y'all the mess. So this is pretty much like the aftermath of everything, which is not a big deal. I'm gonna get it all taken care of. But yeah, I just got a bunch of random pillows. It looks random, but everything is strategic in this room. But yeah, some of the Pampas Grass bundles. So I got some Decor pillows and everything like that. Really, really hope that you guys enjoy this video. Like I said, make sure you check out Simpky Renae because they are the sponsor of this video today, and they believe in body inclusivity, if that's the right thing. They believe in basically being inclusive when it comes to their clothes and stuff like that. So I'm really proud to be working with a brand like this, and yeah, really excited about everything that's to come. So yeah, that wraps it up for this video, and I will see you guys in the next one. And I'm gonna be vlogging my whole Black Friday experience. So that's Black Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and then Cyber Monday too. So hopefully y'all will rock with me and stick with me on this, see how we do, see what coins we're able to collect. So I'll see y'all the next time. Thank you, bye.